Morning everyone, welcome to your computer online class. Today's topic is Windows 7, which is our chapter 2. In this chapter, we are going to talk about all these contents. First of all, introduction of Windows 7, starting Windows Explorer, viewing files and folders, working with the control panel, changing date and time of your computer, about fonts, using on-screen keyboard, changing mouse setting, and the last topic is sleep mode. Now let's start with the topic Windows 7. As we all know, Windows 7 is an operating system software. It helps us to work with computers, and it is also simplified the task of managing data files and folders in computer. Here we are going to talk about the first topic, which is Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is used for viewing, exploring and organizing files in computer. कंप्यूटर में फाइल्स को शो करना, देखना, एक्सप्लोर करना मीन्स फाइंड आउट करना एंड ऑर्गेनाइज करना इन अ कंप्यूटर. दिस प्रोसेस comes in Windows Explorer. Now see how we can open Windows Explorer. To opening Windows Explorer, first of all we will click on Start button. You all know this is Start button. Click on Start button, then All Programs, then go to the Accessories, then click on Windows Explorer option. The Windows Explorer window is open. Windows Explorer window is divided into two parts, which is left pane and right pane. The left pane of the Windows Explorer shows the different types of disk drives. For example, C drive, D drive, desktop, my computer, all these options shows in left pane. Right pane shows the detailed information of selected drive. Suppose we have select this type C, then in right pane the detailed information of disk type C will be shown. Here you can see there are two types of panes, disk drives. First is left, second is right pane. Left pane shows disk drives and right pane is showing the detailed information of selected drive. Now our next topic is viewing files or folders. Windows provides many ways to arrange and identify your files while you are viewing them. The information can be viewed in different modes by clicking on the drop down arrow or more options located on the toolbar. The different types of viewing files options are: first is extra large and large icons, second is medium, third is small, then list, then details, then tiles, then content option. These are the options which we use for viewing our files or folders. Now the first topic is extra large and large icons. They display gigantic and large icons of the files and folders. These two can be useful when working with images and video files. It displays the second is medium icons. It displays the files and folders sized icons, giving you better idea for the file content. Small icons, it displays your files and folder as a small icon without a preview of its contents. Now here you can see medium icon and here is a small icon. There is no detailed information of the icon. Now here you can see this is Windows Explorer window. It is divided into two parts. This is left pane and this one is right pane. In left pane we can see the different types of drive, and in right pane we can see the detailed information of selected drive. Now our next topic is working with control panel. As we know, control panel is a system folder which is used to make changes, appearance and setting of the windows.